They had an exchange of words. He turned around to continue working in his backyard, and he fired a shot.
Funny thing was, it wasn't even me he was mad at. It was my girlfriend.
You never heard a gunshot?
Yeah, I thought I did.
That shit, I mean.
Lake County deputies responded to a call about a shots fired during an argument between two neighbors. By the time they arrived, only one of them was still standing outside.
He was cleaning in the back. They had an exchange of words. He turned around to continue working in his backyard, and he fired a shot. He doesn't know if he fired a shot at him and missed, at the air, at the ground. He doesn't know.
He was turned around.
He was turned around, but when he turned back around, he was just standing there with the gun. He took off inside, and the guy took off inside his house. And he said that he has multiple firearms, that he shoots in the backyard often, which...
Does he have a ring camera out back that caught any of this?
I didn't ask him.
Do you happen to be home?
I am right now, yes.
Okay, well I need to about an issue he's having. I've tried to call him several times, but he wasn't answering. Well, I need to speak to him about that. Is he able to come outside and speak to me? All right, make sure he's unarmed. Hey, sir, go ahead and put your hands up for me. Go ahead and put your hands up for me. Keep them up. Keep them raised up. I see the dog. Keep them hands up. Are you armed right now?
No.
Okay. You mind lifting up your shirt for me?
Yeah.
Okay, spin around. Lift it up and spin around. All right.
I can feel you do it. I have to move.
Hey, don't reach in the car. Don't open the car. No.
Okay.
Stand. All right.
Stop pointing it.
All right. Let me see your hand. All right. I'm just going to detain you right now for our safety. I see you're a bigger gentleman, so I'm going to go ahead and put 2 sets of cuffs on you, okay?
Firearms in the house if you want to look for them.
Okay. All right, sir.
What happened earlier between you and...
I have no clue. I asked him, the son of a gun, to clean up the dead stuff between the fence. You can't miss it. And that was in April, February. He said he would.
Okay.
I reminded him today that it was past April, it was March. Well, I'm cleaning up. He's taking some stuff out of the front of the house. I said, okay. And all of a sudden I heard a bang, a loud noise. I walked into the house. That's what I know.
So were you standing outside when the loud noise happened?
I was on the way in the house. The fence and the house are really close together. If you want to walk back, you can.
Do you have a weapon with you when you were outside in the back?
No. I have 22s in the house, but I haven't shot a 22 lately. Hate the fucking things. The lizards. Ah, shit.
Is it a handgun or a long gun?
My 22's are long guns.
Okay.
Do you have any handguns?
I have one handgun in the house. It's a 9mm. It's by my bed. It's a 15 shot, I believe. I don't know.
When was the last time you shot that gun?
Shit, I don't think I ever did. I bought it for 9, that's all.
Anything else happened today between you and him?
That was it. I was on my way to call the people trying to sell the house for him. Tell them about the shit. That was it. The shit, I mean, stuff.
I understand what you mean. I understand.
So why would he say that he saw a firearm?
I'd like to know what he saw. I would really like to know what he saw. A rifle, a shotgun, a pistol, a revolver. And when I was in Mass, I was a firearms instructor.
Okay.
He said that he saw you holding a firearm after he turned back around after the shot was fired.
I don't know how he could have. Again, what kind of firearm was it?
Sir, listen, if you shot a round in the ground or whatever you did, we just need to know.
I didn't do a damn thing.
Okay, so just miraculously, and him and you all heard a loud pop that sounded like a gunshot. He says that he turned around and saw a firearm in your arms, in your hands. Okay.
Can I take this off?
Not
My
right now.
shoulders are
Not right
shot
now.
the
They're
hell.
they're double cuffs, sir.
But my shoulders are shot the hell of it. It's aggravating.
Okay.
I've had them operated on 5 times each.
All right. Well, so you're claiming you had no firearm outside.
No.
Okay. All right. See right here, real quick. Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Did you knock?
Yes.
Oh, I thought I heard a knock.
Do you know anything about what transpired today between him and the neighbor?
No, not really. He was out. I know my husband was outside in the back. I don't know. If he had words with him, I don't know.
Okay. So you didn't hear anything? You
I
never
think-
heard a gunshot?
Yeah, I thought I did.
Okay. Did your husband have a firearm on him?
That I don't know.
Okay. Did he rush back in the house with a firearm?
No.
Okay. All right. Do you mind if I go in the backyard and look around?
Sure.
Okay. Just don't let the dog out. I'll go around the side gate.
Oh, all right.
All right. Just don't let the dog out on me, okay?
All right.
All right.
That was a good statement. Don't let the dog out.
Yeah.
Because I just don't want to, rely on only my eyes. This is your home, so hopefully if there's something amiss, it'll stand out to you. Just look up and down real good from one corner to the next. In the shed, the porch here, everything. Yeah, I mean, who knows if it was... for all we know, it could have been an accidental discharge as it was coming out, and it could have gone in any direction, anywhere.
His shed has got a hole in the roof that he shot up in.
I see some stuff, and I see almost looks like a round sitting here on the sidewalk. But if he shoots in here all the time, that's not very...
He's got that dog that he brought out with him.
Uh-huh.
It's his world. It got loose one day, and he yelled at me for not giving it. And I go, first of all, why is that my fault? Why is that my job?
Right.
And we were good friends before this. We were super good friends. And apparently he had a stroke, and his wife said his mind changed.
Oh, I see.
This is the part of the case that doesn't appear in any report. A stroke, a personality change. Years of gunfire on a residential lot that the neighborhood had quietly accepted as background noise. By the time deputies were standing here, the people closest to this man had been watching this coming for a long time. They just hadn't called anyone.
And the funny thing was, it wasn't even me he was mad at. It was my girlfriend. But he thought it was me. So he just screamed at me, and I was like, you got it all wrong, buddy. It wasn't even me. Anyways.
You're all done with your affidavit and everything?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm like,
I just didn't want him to see you standing
know.
out there when I was talking to him, because I thought that
understand.
might
Tail him
escalate
off
it,
again,
and then
yeah.
I can't, we can't get him to just speak to us normally.
is he gone or is he in the car?
He's probably still out front.
I was actually coming to trim these things next, but he got all fucking pissed off.
Well, next time you'll trim those first, won't
I
you?
know.
I'm
Let
just
him do it
messing.
again.
I'm-
Like this
I'm
tree
messing
right
with you.
here is his, but it's always over my house, and
Yeah.
I didn't pitch at him for it. I got somebody, and they trimmed the side I needed.
Sure.
But he's got nothing to do all day.
I'm sitting here looking. I start walking up, and I tell Brownsburg, and I said, I just want to see if he has a spent casing somewhere. So I'd take a picture of that, and then we'll have to collect it.
So it wasn't a semi-auto, because if he was by the fence when he fired, it would have the spent cartridge would have fallen over
I
there.
think it was 22 revolver. Like the little
Yeah,
22 revolver pocket.
yeah. What are you thinking? Do we have enough to 10-15?
With this, I would say yes.
All right, sir. Well, you're going to get arrested today for aggravated assault and
I didn't assault anybody.
for the discharging of a firearm in
I didn't discharge. Whatever. Can I untie you? Get me out of these?
No, sir, I cannot. Pause it, sir.
I can't get comfortable.
Here, we're gonna help you.
I hope that guy loves the journey.
Clifford was arrested and charged with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon, discharging a firearm in a residential area, and improper exhibition of a firearm. He was booked into Lake County Jail with a bond set at $12,500. The evidence came together quickly. A recently discharged .22 caliber shell casing was recovered from Clifford's backyard. A small .22 caliber handgun matching the victim's description was located inside the home. The victim's own security camera, while not positioned to capture Clifford or the firearm, picked up audio consistent with a gunshot at the moment of the incident. A second neighbor who had grown used to hearing regular target practice from this property described the particular shot as louder than the ones he was familiar with. If you've watched cases like this before, were the signs visible long before anything escalated? Let us know your thoughts and opinions down in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more cases just like this one. I'm your host Sam, signing off.